Once again, we are listening the query processing. Query processing means using a process and getting the result of the query made from a database. The process should be use a correct as well as efficient execution strategy. Let us see 5 steps in the processing are. First one is the parsing and translation. In this step, translates the query into an internal form. Whatever the query you are asking, it can be transmitted into the internal form into an relational algebraic expression, and then a parser which checks the syntax and verifies the relations. So whatever the query you are asking, it can be translated into the internal form into an relational algebraic expression, and then translate it by checking the syntax and verifies the relationship is nothing but a parsing and translation. Second one is the decomposition. Decomposition to complete the query processing into micro operation. The name itself, we are dividing, so the operation can be divided into smaller form. So decomposition to complete the query process into micro operation using the analysis. So we are making it as a micro operation based on analysis for the number of micro operation required for the operation. Either conjective and disjunctive normalization and semantic analysis is a way of decompositioning of your query process. Optimization, which means optimizing the cost of processing. The cost means number of micro operations generated in processing, which is evaluated by calculating the cost of the set of equivalent expression. Optimization, which means optimizing the cost of processing. So how much efforts we are placing. The cost means the number of micro operations. See here the efforts, in the sense the cost means number of micro operations generated in processing. So performance as take place, which is evaluated, which is executed by calculating the cost of the set of equivalent expression. Whatever the expression it has taken, by taking that expression, how much of a performance we have done. This is gives the cost of processing. This cost of processing is optimization. Maximum calculated, maximum benefited, we can treat it as optimizations. Next, our concept is evaluation plan. A query execution engine takes a query evaluation plan and execute that plan. So evaluation plan, a query execution engine, it is treated as a software. A software takes a query evaluation plan and execute that plan. And last, our fifth point is returning. What after that execution of a plan, it returns the result of the query.